Hello. Hope you all are doing amazing. Guess what? Q4 is just around the corner and it's time to gear up for an incredible season. If you are all set to rock Q4, drop a comment below saying what is flowing into my bank account. I have been getting a flood of direct messages about personalization and customly questions like how to craft your own designs using customly, connecting it with the printing partners, and much more have been coding it. But the one that stood out the most, well, that's about creating personalized acrylic plaques using customly. So in this video, I'm thrilled to show you the ropes on designing a unique acrylic plaques using ShineOn through Customly. We are diving into creating a sleek scanboard design which happens to be in demand at local shops. Feast your eyes on our final masterpiece, but here is the beauty. Within this design, we can tweak the barcode, brand name, email, logo, social media IDs, and every single payment option. Exciting, right? So let's roll up our sleeves and see how we can bring this to the light. First thing first, let's whip up an entirely fresh design. Customly will ask you for the design's name, so go ahead and give it a snazzy one. For this demo, I'm naming it a Scanboard New. You can pick a name that tickles your fancy. Once you have named it, hit that create button and watch it. Now you will need a base image that holds all the unchanging elements. Those parts that will not be personalized by the buyers. I have got that static image ready. Quick take, transform the image to dimensions of 1000 and hey, let's call it a background layer. Next, let's craft an image placeholder layer for the barcode. A bit of tweaking in the transform section and we are setting the height and width to a 250. Rename this layer as a barcode. Proper naming conventions, always a good move. I'm following the same process for the brand logo. Just select your brand logo image, click on the open. Rename the image layer as your brand. Oh, we are not done yet. Time to create an image library for different payment options. Head to the library tab, glide over to image libraries and click on image library. Click on add library, name it something catchy and click on create. Now the image uploading begins. Click on the add image and add all the images. After uploading, I have given each image a position, specifically 2 in this case. These positions comes in handy when we retrieve images through the API. A quick renaming session and all the images are good to go. If you already have a good naming conventions for the images, then there is no need to change or rename the image. Back to the design area and select a dynamic image and point it to the image library you just built. And don't forget to click on change option. This option let us identify the unique images stored in the dynamic elements. Click done and let's rename the layer while we are at it. Clone those dynamic image layers and sprinkle a dash of renaming magic on each clone. Cloning makes your work so easy. And please remember to rename all the clone layers because afterwards you will get confused. So here I have made 5 payment mode. Now let's fashion a text box for each payment mode. So it will be like 5 text boxes for 5 payment mode. You can change a font, max size, mini size, alignments, everything here. rearranging the layers so that we can understand the process. Mirror the process with clone text box layers and give each clone a specific name. Select all the payment mode image dynamic layers and text box layers and hit create layout. Name it something memorable. And don't forget to click on align to workspace. And remember how different buyers have different payment options. Well, we got that covered too. Clone the layout according to the number of payment options by deleting the layers and configuring the layouts as needed. So here I have cloned the layout for the 4 payment options and I will delete one of the payment mode. Same I will do for 2 payment options. Let's upload social media icons. So I'm creating an image library for that. Another dynamic image there takes the stage and plucking the images from your freshly created library. And this image layer is for social media icons. Place these icons right after the connect with us line. Mirror this move for the second icon and position a text box below the icons. That's where buyers can slot in their social media. Moving right along, let's create a two layers for text boxes. One for the brand name and the another one is for brand email. And pat yourself on the back. Your design shaping up beautifully. hit the save button, and voila! Move head to the starting line and choose your product partner. For this dope demo, I am partnering up with ShineOn. Select acrylic plaque and then pick from your designs. Choose the design we just crafted. Follow the cues and take a pic of your creation. And hey, if you spot a tweak you had like to make, simply click on edit option. Here, where the magic of customizations happens, I'm shuffling the layer sequences and tidying up any name confusions. I'm picking the background with the static elements image and concealing the background layer. Say initial value. Set initial value for brand name and brand logo. You can add help text if you want. Click on the Save option set, and you can preview your product here. So see here, cloned is coming for each layout which I have created. So now I will replace those lines. And you can see the text which we have written as in cash is showing over here. Now, whatever changes we have done, we can again see it in the preview your product section. You can test your product and all our complete customizations in this place with all the editing finance in place. Hit that publish button and tada, you have added the API key and sent your creation out in the world. Your product is now live and ready to dance. Me testing the live product on my Shopify store. So you can see everything is working perfect. And that's wrap for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Got the questions? Feel free to drop a comment or slide it into my DMs. Happy designing everyone.